I'm working on my truck again today. I'm gonna see if I can figure out why my tailgate lock won't work. I don't know how good of a view you guys. Oh, that was weird. Oh, okay. I don't know how good of you guys. Good of a view, guys. Will have a. Should be able to see me right now. I'm just undoing these bolts that are in it. And hopefully we will figure out why my tailgate lock won't work. So, just stay tuned to find out. Surprisingly, these are actually coming out really easy. I thought these would be like rusted on or something like that. Just coming out like a piece of cake. This is our last one. Oh, that didn't get me nowhere? No. All I have is... Oh, wait. Okay, there we go. Absolutely. Now, let's see why key doesn't work. Sorry, so as you guys can see, it's that thing that locked it. So see right now it's locked, see? No, but now trying to do that, it does not go back on. So okay, sorry guys, there you go. Sorry guys, it's just taking me a little bit trying to figure this out. Trying to give you guys a good view, but I don't think that that's really going to work out. You know what, guys? I think I might have found my problem. Give me 1 second. Guys, a minute. Shoot, I need a bigger one. Sorry. Okay, guys, should have the right one. Jeez. Let's try this other one. God. I mean, I don't see it, but see, this one's like definitely like a little bit undone from the bolt. Oh, did we get it? Okay, that's loosening. Oh. Oh, guys, we are so close. Needs to get tighter on there. So see, the key like works and everything. It's just part about getting that onto there. That's our problem. I don't feel a way that I can tighten. That is. That just see? It's like eating out. Now it ain't going far back enough. So it's just kind of weird. I don't think I'm going to be able to fix it myself. If any of you guys think you guys know, let me know. But the only thing is, it's been in the lock position this whole time. Anyway, every time I would open it, it would whack the lock, and I think that's why it might be a little bit out of place. That's the only thing that I can think of. See if I try this just one more time. We got it closer. It's a lot closer. But it's just, unless it like really is. If I shaped a little bit of that off with a grinder, it might work. Maybe it needs to be just bent just a little bit. Just give me 1 second. Oh, guys, I think we might get it. Boys, we're getting there. We're getting there. About there. Okay. Oh. Hey, we got it. Okay, guys. So, as you can see that little lever there, that's the lock. Anyway, when you open your tailgate, that goes like that. And That blocks that. Oh, let's go. Alright, that's a success of the day, boys. Thank you guys for watching. I helped you out a little bit. Sorry, didn't get the best view the whole time, but all I did was just I was bending the lock piece. And I was able to get it back in front of that. So, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.